So we are getting ready to head down to the historic 25th Street annual car show. This is probably the biggest car show in our area. So we're loading up. I'm hoping I have everything. Today's going to be kind of a hectic, tight-fitting schedule. So apparently we need a spatula. Well, we are in the line to enter the car show with hundreds of other people, and we're just waiting to check in and get on the main street where they have the car show. Lucky for us, Grayson's asleep through all this, but with all the people revving their engines and motorcycles, I'm not sure how long that's going to last. Well guys, we made it into our spot, which I parked right in front of work because I have to work tonight and I want to be able to keep an eye on the car, so yeah. So now we have to walk about 3 blocks to Trisha's work to get the Tahoe. All the other cars lining up. Hey guys, it's the next day. Sorry I couldn't get more footage from the car show. I had to work, but I did get my first car show award. Doesn't say what the award was. My buddy said, hey, there's a sticker on your window that says you won an award. Put that right here. And so I was stuck at work dying to know what it was. So my buddy is a Weber County Sheriff, Danny. He went to go find out about the prize. I said, hey, just flash your credentials. I'm sure they'll give it to a cop to bring to me. So he texts me back and says, it's socks. And I said, it's socks? He says, yeah, you won socks. I said, okay, that's random, but all right. So I won a small bucket of socks. And most of these are too small for me, but I'm going to let Trish have them, the kids. But these ones might fit. Say up to size 12, and I wear a 13, but look at that. It's about grilling meat. So I think I'm going to try and fit these ones on. Yeah?
Mama.
What do you think, Gray?
Ma.
What do you think? You say hi? You blow kisses? He's learning kisses. You blow kisses? Oh yeah, guys. These feel great. You think I can pull those off in shorts? Probably not, but I think I might. What do you think? Good socks? I asked Briley if I could pull these off today. She says I'll look like a douche.
I didn't.
She insinuated I would look like a douche.
I said...
Ladies and gentlemen, a sad day has come. As you know, we plastic dipped the Tahoe, and it has lasted long enough. Now that I have the Humvee, Trish has taken over the Tahoe.
Okay, wait, you're not blaming me for this.
I'm not blaming her. I'm saying Trish has taken over the Tahoe.
Okay.
It's her vehicle now, and she would prefer it to be white because she liked it better white.
Wait a second. It would remain black forever if it wasn't all jacked up. It's not my
But the
fault.
plastic dip has stretched and is starting to peel, and it is not savable.
Can we pull it off?
So the time has come to restore it. That's a little gooey.
Look at it, it's a giant sticker. Oh my gosh. I wish that's how the outside looked. It's all bumpy.
Well, it's sad to have to pull it off, but it was starting to peel up and it was slowly looking crappier and crappier, so we had to peel it off, but it's alright. It looks good white, and we had it white for a long time, and now Trish drives it all the time, and she doesn't need it to be as tactical as it was, so. What do you think, Mr. Grayson? What do you think?
Oh.
Is it good?
Hi.
Hi. Hello, my people. We are headed out to the Sounds of Freedom car show out in Layton. And Trish got called into work. I took today off so we could hang out at the car show, and she got called into work. So she doesn't get to go with us. And I get to wrangle 3 kids by myself at a car show, which should be an adventure in itself. So let's head there. We made it to the car show, hungry. So now we gotta go register. So I thought it would be appropriate for me to park with all the military vehicles. He's not amused. Grace like, what? Miles got kidnapped by a bear. You don't see enough Jeeps and trucks at car shows. But they're my favorite. Look at that little car. Teeny, huh? Miles, dude, watch where you're driving. Yeah. Look at how many people come right in the back of it, Miles. Yeah. Well, the car show is almost over, and little baby Gray has done very good. He's been such a good boy. He took a very short nap, trying to keep him hydrated and fed, but he didn't want to eat very much. But he's been a very good boy, huh? Yeah. We're gonna be taking off here pretty soon, but Bradley wants to see the kids' pinup competition. You go see?
Alright, so number 1 is Bentley Beck.